I am going to show you 3 ways to cut PEX crimp rings to reuse PEX fittings. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and let's start by removing the PEX fittings using a PEX ring removal tool. To start, cut the pipe as close as possible to the fitting using a PEX cutter. While cutting the pipe, make sure that blade does not touch the brass fitting. That can damage the blade or fitting. Now use the PEX ring removal tool to cut the copper ring. This knob goes inside the fitting and blade goes onto the PEX ring. Just like this. Also ensure that the cutter adjustment is set to whatever size of ring you are cutting. Make the initial cut by squeezing the tool. Rotate the fitting and do the same on the other side. This is called butterfly cut. Now remove the ring. Do the same thing to the pipe that we just did to the ring. And that's done. Let's move on to the second method, which is my favorite, using a map gas torch and a flat screwdriver. To start, cut the pipe as close as possible to the crimped fitting. Turn on the torch and hold fitting with the plier. And start warming up with torch. Keep warming up and rotating until the pipe turns transparent. Once the pipe is transparent, take a flat screwdriver and slide off the ring and pipe. With this method, if your fitting is crimped from both sides, you should remove rings on both sides, because heat can damage the connection on the other side while you warm up one side. The last method we are using is cutting off the ring with the hacksaw. To start, cut the ring parallel to the pipe. You can also use Dremel tool to cut the ring. Once the ring is cut, take a flathead screwdriver and open up the ring. Now make a cut on the pipe as well. Make sure you only cut the outer layer of the pipe. What this does is, it increases the pipe circumference and makes it easier to take off. Once it's done, pull the fitting out using a plier. Just like that. You should inspect the fitting before reusing, because hacksaw blade can damage the ridges on the fitting, which can cause leakage. That's all for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment your favorite method in the comments below. See you next time.